Good morning to the assemblage. I feel privileged to welcome our honorable chief guest, Dr. B. Kalyan Chakravarti, respected judges, guests, participants, and teacher escorts from all 16 schools across India to the opening ceremony of this 3-day-long Dharohar festival. Your gracious presence has brightened our gathering. Our heritage.
We also have the following judges who will join us later during the Heritage Fest. Dr. Himanshu Dwivedi. He is the head of Department of Drama and Theatre and Dean of Student Welfare at Raja Man Singh Tomar Music and Arts University, Gwalior. He has been honored with several prestigious awards, including Ustad Bismillah Khan Young Artist Award for Direction, Bhav Bhuti Samman, Kalashi Samman, National Art Award, and Excellence Award in the year 2021. Dr. Chandrasekhar Barua. He is an assistant professor and a nodal officer at Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management, Gwalior. He has been awarded as the Best Tourist Guide and Best Tourism Teacher of Central India. Mr. Narendra. He is currently a PhD scholar under Dr. Himanshu Dwivedi at the Department of Theatre and Drama, Raja Man Singh Tomar Music Arts University, Gwalior, researching on Assamese folk theatre, Ankya Naat. He has also served as a guest faculty and studio assistant in the same university. Mr. Narendra has also worked as an actor, assistant director, script writer, art director, and production manager in movies. He has been awarded with a gold medal by the Honorable Governor of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Mangu Bhai Patel, and Speaker of the Madhya Pradesh Assembly, Mr. Narendra Singh Tomar, in the year 2021.
First up, we have Prithvish from Birla Public School, Pilani. Sejal from Delhi Public School, Pathankot. Mokshita Bangar from KC Public School, Jammu. Rashi Mehta from LK Singhania Education Center, Gotan.
Diya Agrawal from Mayo College Girls School, Ajmer. Sonika Narzri from Miles Johnson Residential School, Guwahati. Gaurisha Tanwar from Raj Mata Krishna Kumari Public School, Jodhpur. Taniyat Navi from Stepping Stones High School, Aurangabad.
Mehak Lalwani from Sunbeam School, Lehtara. Atharv Oja from Sunbeam School, Mughal Sarai. Janvi Ghavri from Sunbeam School, Varuna.
Teeth from the Sanskar Valley School, Bhopal.
Aithe Vushe from the Assam Valley School, Tejpur.
Kush Todi from the Sindhya School, Fort Gwalior. Riddhi Sharma from Vidya Devi Jindal School, Hisar. And Anvesha Chaudhary from the host school, Sindhya Kanya Vidyalaya, Gwalior. A school flag is a living document, providing a distinct identity to the school. It represents a school's past, present, and future vision, all rolled into one. It is a symbol of respect and true devotion to the school, inspiring the students to build on the school's rich legacy. It fosters a sense of pride and unity within the school community and promotes diversity and inclusivity. Now I request respected Principal Ma'am, Ms. Nishi Misra, the guiding light behind this fest, to address the gathering.
Thank you. Your act is deeply moving and motivational.
Is strictly prohibited. Now kindly note the judgment rubrics. Authenticity of music, 10 marks. Grace of movements and expressions, that is, mudra, abhinay and bhav, 10 marks. Rhythm and footwork, 15 marks. Costume and presentation, 5 marks. Overall impact, 10 marks. Total, 50 marks. Please welcome the distinguished judges for the event. Mr. Upen Bora Boryan, Dr. Himanshu Dwivedi, and Dr. Jadab Bore. We all warmly welcome you, sir. Now, it is time to relax and immerse ourselves in the spiritual charm and artistic richness of Assam as we warmly welcome our performers to the stage. Please greet them with thunderous applause.
A remarkable journey always starts with a simple step. To mark the beginning, we now welcome School Number 1, KC Public School, Jammu. Greetings everyone. KC Public Jammu presents the classical dance of Satriya. It is primarily themed around the Stuti of Lord Krishna.
It finds its basis from the Ankiya drama. It is the invocation to Lord Krishna to evoke the Bhakti Ras through the enchanted rhythmic piece.
Possible by the heartfelt dedication of our young performers, the tireless efforts of backstage teams, the wisdom of our judges, and the unwavering support of parents, mentors, and school heads. Let us carry this spirit forward, nurturing and honoring the artistic rhythms that defines us. With sincere thanks and warm hearts, we now bring this enriching celebration to a momentary pause. I kindly invite everyone to proceed for lunch. SKV students are requested to proceed for lunch at the respective mess, and the participating teams are to proceed to the badminton court. We shall meet at 6 p.m. for yet another eventful performance. Thank you. I request everybody to be seated while they are going.
Everyone is requested to remain seated while the dignitaries leave.
Down to the